this is Keisean Tech. Welcome back. Today we are going to see if it's still worth buying a $100 19-inch TV. Guys, this is the 19-inch LED HD TV from RCA, which you saw in the intro. So yeah, let's unbox it and show you what it has to offer. So first thing it says here, it says HD ready. I would hope so. HD is the absolute standard, even if it is a $100 TV. It has digital audio, out optical, just a bunch of fancy words to make you think it looks actually really good when it's just standard. 14 millisecond response time, HDMI, 16:9, and a 60 hertz refresh rate. So all that is pretty standard for today. And yeah, let's go look at the side and see what it has to say. It says the RCA 19-inch 60 hertz HD LED delivers premium pictures quality and enhancements and connectivity while reducing your power consumption. So yeah, just a bunch of crap, to be honest, that likes to say. Here's all the stats right here. So it has barely HD, 720p, that's what it will be maxed out to, so not really great, but it's still good for $88 actually. It can upscale it to 180p in some cases, so you may get full HD, but that's only it upscaling it to that, so yeah. And yeah, let me open it up and show you what it comes inside with. So yeah. So I took it all out the box, guys, here. As you can tell, it comes with this gigantic, ugly looking controller that looks like it came straight from the 1990s, but I'm being a little harsh. It is an $88 TV or $94 depending where you live, so this is actually pretty cool. Still, you have the little plastic things here to put on the TV so it can stand upright. It's not one of the old style ones, so like I have an older TV because this is replacing one of our TVs. So if you look here, it's not like one of these stands where it has like the thing here. So yeah, because it saves money and stuff, so it's a little bit different. It has these cheap batteries here, like off-brand cheap batteries that they always give you for the controllers. It comes with this black and white menu, so they went all out for saving money here. It gives you a bunch of the stuff, so yeah. That's the model number here, if you're wondering. And here's the actual TV here. So let me try to, hopefully that's not making too much horrible noises. Here. It is a very thick TV. So it's not thin at all in any case. So I would say this is probably very good for your kids and stuff, so yeah. So I'll go in more in depth about the actual TV itself after I put it together and everything, so yeah. See you in a couple of minutes. Let me show you guys one more thing here. It says yearly estimated energy cost is $5, and I just really wanted to show you guys this. It comes with one HDMI port, but if you're an older person, right, for HD and stuff, you have the old yellow, white, red, and ports that you would have to plug in and stuff. But it does come with the one HDMI like it says. So just wanted to show you that. So if you don't want HD for whatever reason, or your cable just doesn't provide HD, you have the old setup here like that, like this, if you want. So yeah.
30 painful minutes later.
Done the setup process, so let's show you some of the modes that it has. So over here it has standard, dynamic, which is more brightened, but I don't really like it that much. You have soft. I don't know if you would want soft, but you have soft. You have power saving, which just makes it look really dim, and it comes with power saving right out the box. So I would change it over to user or standard, whichever one you prefer. I think this one's the best. And you can go up. You have standard here, cool, warm, colors and stuff like that. But I'm gonna leave it at standard here. And let's go over to the audio section here. You have bass and balance and all that other stuff over here. And auto volume and stuff comes off. So yeah. And let's take a look at the actual volume and see how it sounds. And the picture, of course. So this is an HD. It's only 720p, the actual TV itself, but it can upscale itself to 180p. So it will say 180p on YouTube here. I know it looks a little weird because it's backwards here, but it says 720 and then 180 here. But it's just upscaling itself to 180, but it's still actually 720. So, yeah. I think the TV so far is good. You get what you paid for. It looks pretty good for an $80 TV, $88 TV, or $94 TV, depending where you live. So, I would definitely recommend this for a store, like a small business, or just for like your kids or something. I don't think you would want to be watching your favorite soap opera or whatever graphic shows that you watch, because I think a 4K TV would do you a lot more better, or at least full HD. And let's get into what the competition has to offer. I'm going to put a couple of TVs up on the screen and show what they have to offer. You have Samsung and LG. Samsung and LG are the best TV brands, so I would definitely recommend getting a Samsung or LG if you want the best quality small HD TV. They go around 140 to 180, which is a lot, which I know is like $40 to $80 more. Some are smart TVs too, which this isn't. But the picture is a lot more better, like the quality, like the sharpness, contrast, and all that stuff. It's not just about resolution. The panel itself that Samsung or LG will provide you is a lot more higher quality, and the TV most likely will last longer. RCA, I kind of feel like has a small bad reputation of breaking. Like I've had two RCA TVs, and one of them went in 2 years and one of them went in 4 years. So if this is just kind of like a quarantine TV you just wanted to get for your kids or something, great. Or something that you want for your store, great. Because it will be easy, simple to fix. Not fix, but simple to replace. And yeah, you can also get cheaper TVs, but I wouldn't recommend getting anything cheaper than $88, because you don't know when that TV's gonna break on you. That may even last you like, what, a year? This probably will last you 2 to 3 years. So let's put the audio on. I almost forgot about the audio. So this is what the audio sounds like. It's not much audio, but this video is just very quiet, so if you're wondering why the audio's a little low. It's a little pitchy, but it's pretty good. I don't have any complaints about it. But one thing I complain about is this thing is chunky. Like, if you look from it from a side profile here, like, look at that. Look how, that is so huge. It's like that big. So, it is definitely not your thin modern TV, so just keep that in mind. But for an $88 TV, it's good. I would recommend it for a store or your kids. Definitely not, I wouldn't even say put it as your main bedroom TV, because I think you would probably want something bigger. And Samsung and LG only sell 32-inch TVs. Let me turn the volume down here. The controller's not really responsive here. You really have to point it at the TV for it to respond. It's a little annoying, but that's probably because I'm on an angle. But the Samsung and LG TVs only are in 32 inches, so this is a 19-inch TV, so if you do get a LG or Samsung TV, it will be like 140 to 180, but it will also be slightly bigger, well, a lot bigger actually. 32 inches is quite bigger, so that's the other thing to keep in mind. But if you want something small for your kid's bedroom or something, perfect, or for your store, perfect. But I say, if you're someone that watches a lot of TV in their bedroom, would I recommend this? No. I would say probably step up your budget to about 170, because RCA also offers a smart TV, a Roku smart TV, which I did a review on, link in description, and I find it to be slightly better picture quality, but not by much. But it also comes with Netflix, YouTube, and stuff. Obviously, you have to pay for Netflix, but that's another option there. And I'll put this where you can buy the 32-inch smart TV in the link in the description. And this TV, I'll put in the link in the description too, so you can buy it. And that's all I pretty much have to say. That was the RCA 19-inch TV. It's pretty old school, you could say. The controller here, you can see it's very plasticky like I showed you last time. No, the buttons are kind of rubbery and soft, but rather than that, the controller's cheap, everything's cheap, but I think this is a pretty good deal, because if you go to any other brand, it probably won't last as long. So a RCA is a reliable, cheap brand, but if you want something that's gonna last you a very long time, go with LG, Samsung. That's all I'm gonna say. That's it for Keisean Tech. This was the RCA 19-inch TV. Good TV. Would recommend store or kids. Bye. That was Keisean Tech.